Have you heard of the first scientifically proven bird nest essence in the market? Do you want to find out more about it? Check it out. Whole pieces of raw bird nests are selected before processing into essence. Repetitive washing will wash away water-soluble impurities, such as feces. Nanobubble electrophoresis is our award-winning patented technology. This step is to remove the heavy metal and nitrate found naturally in bird nests in order to ensure food safety. This patented hydrolysis process is to digest the unabsorbable big molecule of bird nests into nano-sized particle essence that is readily be absorbed by human body. Ultrafiltration step is to remove all fine debris, such as fine feather, eggshell, and sands. The sealed bottle of essence was subjected to sterilization process, thus no food preservative is added. Several quality control steps are carried out to ensure the essence following the quality and safety guidelines. Join us for the new experience with scientifically proven bird nest essence. The end. The evolution of bird nest.